Presenting Samsung Galaxy M31 with 64-megapixel rear camera and 32-megapixel front camera. This smartphone comes in ocean blue and space black color variants. You can also choose from 3 memory variants of 6GB RAM with 64GB of internal storage, 6GB RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and 8GB RAM with 128GB of internal storage. The memory of this smartphone is expandable up to 512GB. Both the SIM slots support 4G connections on dual standby. The 6.4-inch Full HD Plus capacitive touchscreen display with 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution, 404 ppi density and 16M color support lets you have an immersive experience. The 64-megapixel primary rear camera is supported by 8-megapixel and 2 5-megapixel cameras. Samsung Galaxy M31 is powered by Android version 10 operating system with 2.3 GHz and 1.7 GHz Exynos 9611 Octa core processor for a smooth gaming experience. The 6000 mAh battery provides you with longer talk time. The box includes handset, travel adapter, USB cable, ejection pin and user manual. The Samsung Galaxy M31 comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty for device and 6 months manufacturer warranty for in-box accessories. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.